Isang araw may narinig ako nag-uusap at ang narinig ko ay maliligo daw kami sa Kawayan
I keep
Beach
waiting
Resort.
for you to call.
Nag-rent pa kagad kami ng jeep.
A miracle, wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Pero bago yan, outfit check. Ang kinuha pala namin ay treehouse. Meron itong hagdan pataas at pwede rin ditong kumain sa taas. Ang ganda ng view dito sa taas. Sa baba naman, meron itong double deck at aircon, pati na rin CR. Sa loob ng CR, meron itong toilet at shower. Dito naman sa labas, meron itong billiard, basketball court. Pwede ka naman dito maligo ng swimming pool at dagat, pati ilog. Di ko lang nabidyohan. Pwede ka naman mag-rent dito ng kayak, salbabida at tent. So yun guys, maliligo kami ng swimming pool. So yung renentahan namin to. Kailangan pala magbanlaw muna bago maligo ng swimming pool.
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh. You let me fly, you let me go, oh. Now you're gonna see it clearly. We go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Kakain kami. Let's go guys, mag-swimming na naman tayo ulit. Walang, kunin ko yung salamin. Tignan nyo kung nasan kami, tignan nyo.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender. You're making me land on other side of gravity.
Guys, tapos na tayo naligo. Yan. Hindi ko na na-video yung pagligo ko. Madami din pwedeng pag-picturean dito, guys. It's time to uwi. Uy, God, ang ganda, guys. Sa likod namin. Tignan nyo, ha? Ganda, diba? So, uwi na kami ngayon. Guys, so, nagpa-prepare na sila. Uwi na kami. Let's go. Sa taas. Yan, guys, so. Prepare na siya. Ang ganda ng kapag gabi talaga dito, guys, so. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Grabe. Sunset, ang ganda.
Oo, walang niya, pero pretty boy na loko. Yes, sa kama lang naman to, walang modo. Yeah, ready mo na yung playlist, baby. Damdaman natin ang isa't isa, baby. Pababa ng pababa, oh baby. Kahit anong posisyon pang magawa. You know that I love you, baby. Baby, fucking pinapakinggan natin si Ferry. Tinatanong nila kung meron daw bang nangyayari. Sabi ko wala, yun ang sagot ko palagi. Baby, you know that I'm gangsta. Lamang ba ikaw ang para sa akin? Huwag magdalawang isip kung tatawagin. Tawagan mo lang ako pag alangan.